It's Adrian Bo and welcome to 14 Little Street in Maroubra, beautifully tucked away just behind Malabar Road. It's a stunning freestanding family home with 6 bedrooms, a study, 3 bathrooms and parking for up to 3 cars, including a gorgeous entertaining barbecue area and also a stunning garden. As you've just seen, this house is absolutely immaculate. I don't want you to miss out. The beachside lifestyle is incredible. I can't wait to show you through, and always remember, your home is worth more with Adrian Bo.